During the Middle Ages, people across Europe witnessed something terrifying. When dark clouds gathered and rain began to fall, the drops were red. Monks wrote that it was a warning from the heavens, while knights believed it signals an upcoming war. But the blood-colored rain was real. Countless witnesses saw crimson drops falling from the sky. No one at that time could explain it. But today, historians say the mystery came from red microalgae and dust particles carried by the wind. But for people of the Middle Ages, the phenomenon felt like pure fear, a message of doom falling from the sky.